All right, so now you have all of those projection lines in. You need to check that they're all in the right spot. So let's have a look at this. The windows and doors have to be on the first line. So this projection line here shows this outside edge of the window. This other line shows this window. Then these lines here, see I've brought across the guidelines because this door that is down here, you need to show up here on this first line here. So doors and windows are shown here. So this shows the outside edges of the door. And then here is the outside edge of the window and the other window. The next dimension line shows the projection lines for the walls. So this shows the interior width of the wall here, and this one is the exterior wall. So you've got that there as well. And then up the top, we just have our 6,000. Okay, so that's all in place now. And we can turn off our guidelines for now. What you have to do now is the text or the numbers actually have to be in millimeters. And this is pretty much the only time that you change to millimeters for the drawing, architectural drawing. So again, we're going to edit preferences, units, and then we're also going to change point to millimeters. And just make sure you change that back afterwards. You don't want to be creating type in millimeters. Okay, so the first one with the text tool. So type in 6,000, for example. Highlight that. It does have to be a sans serif typeface, and it has to be 2 millimeters high. So let's see, if we click on transform height, we want it to be 2 millimeters, and we want it to be in scale and proportion. So see how it's stretched out? If I undo that, transform, link it. Let's see if this works. Okay, so there we have our text, which should be 2, and it has to be centered. So this one has to be centered over the center, and then copy and paste that, take it down. It has to be centered in between the projection lines. So that one will be 1630. So you'll change that to 1630, and you'll put in every single measurement. All of these measurements along this line should all make up 6,000. All of these ones should also make up 6,000. So you should have a measurement in here, this one and the rest, and on the outside all just 6,000.